Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the additional, with extra puzzles and Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, October the 11th, 2021. We have here in this additional six extra puzzles. Or Sudokus, letter Sudoku we have here. 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic. Then we have a binary and a tectonic with 1 star. And those two puzzles are not interested, so total of 6 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, as you know, only half of them. I will do the 3 stars, the binary, and a tectonic with 4 stars. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3520. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 25. Correct? For 3 stars, it's always 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars. Yes, if it's really a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We see here 6 and the 3 in this big square. So no 6 and the 3 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 6 and the 3. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about these 4 missing numbers in this row? 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We see here 9 and the 7 in this big square. So no 9 and the 7 in these two boxes. The 9 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and the 7. Well, I do not know. Let me mark those, but I do not know. I don't like to split those pairs, because it's not in one big square. But the other two numbers, the other pair in this row, should be the numbers 1 is missing, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Alright. Then 45. 2, 2. Yeah, 2, 2. Let me scan. We have a 6. 6. And we have a pair, 4 and a 6 in this column, 4 and a 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 6 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. 9. 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this row, so no 9 and a 7 in these three boxes. The 9 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have one box left in this row for number 7. Alright. Then. These two numbers in this row, those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and a 9. Okay. Okay. I'm scanning. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. 2. We have a pair. In this last row, we have 4 missing numbers. Actually 5, but 4, and 2 of those numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 8. Alright, but do we have all the 6s? Let me count, and all the 6s are used. I can see correct. This is number 1, number 6. Alright, 2. Well. How about the number? Let me see. It's supposed to 3. 3. Okay. 7. Yeah. Okay. 9. 1 and a 9. We have a pair again. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and 9 in these two boxes. We have also a 1 and a 9 in the second row. So no 1 and a 9 in that box. So the 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. 1 and a 9. So we have a pair. 1 and a 9. Okay. 2, 4, 7. 7. Okay. Let me see. 4, 5. Uh-huh. 9. 1. I'm scanning. Scanning. 5. Yeah. 3. Interesting. 2226. 5. Yeah. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 7, and the 8 should be there. 7, 8. How about these 3? Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 1. We see a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4 and a 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3. Okay. And now. 1. 7. I'm scanning. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 7. Not the right choice. 7, 7. All right. How about? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. All right. And I know I need an 8 in these 3 boxes. Well, here cannot be an 8. I've marked this box with 1 or 7. We have an 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. All right. So 1 and a 7 are left in the last row. 1 and a 7. And look, we have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 7, 7. Okay. And now 9 and 5. 9 and 3. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in the first column, so no 9 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 in this column. So one of this box is a 5. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright, 1 box left in this first column for the number 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright. 2 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 9. The other pair should be 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Oh, alright, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column. 1, the 2's missing, yeah. Do we have all the 2's? And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We see a 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Strange. How about those 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3 in this row. 9 and 3, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. 3 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Yes! I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No, I think it's a 2 stars, because 17 minutes, well, I've told you I need 20 to 30 minutes if it's really a 3 stars. And I solved this in 17 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.